Hi everybody, Megan Marconyak with marcostyle.net here, and I thought today I would do a little tutorial on how to do a two-toned eyeshadow look. So this is an easy way to get two colors onto your eyelids. It's also a great way to use some of those funkier colors that might come in an eyeshadow palette that you might not use or might be a little bit intimidated to try. So you can do this look with lots of different colors. Since I'm wearing pink today, I'm gonna do two different shades of pink, a light and a dark pink. You can also do this though with blues, greens, a blue and a green, a blue and a pink. Don't be afraid to mix it up and try different things. But so I'm gonna use this palette that I have. See it? It is the Urban Decay Urban Spectrum eyeshadow palette. And you can see there's lots of different crazy colors in here. So for my look today though, I am gonna use this flatline color, which you can see is a really light pink. And then this Backlash, which is a really, really bright pigmented pink. So again, it's one of those colors you might get in a palette and think, what in the heck am I gonna do with this? Well, here is a way to use it. I've already went ahead and put a primer over my eyelid. You don't have to do this, but again, it just helps make your look stay on throughout the day. So then the next thing that I'm gonna do is just get an all over shadow brush and get some of the flat line on it and put that on the inner corner of my eye, about to the center. So just like that. Very quick and easy. All right. So you can see there, I really just quick and easy brushed it from the inner corner to the center. Then I'm gonna take another brush. I'm using an angle one here that gives me a bit more control. And I'm gonna get my Backlash, which is that brighter, more pigmented shade, and I'm gonna apply that from the center corner out. So really half of the eye has that crazier shade. And you know, sometimes you do a really winged look with this one because the color is so pigmented. I'm going out a little bit, but not too much. Do the same thing on the other side. And so that's really the baseline of my look. Then the only thing you need to do to finish this is you might just want to blend it a little bit. The blending just makes sure that the two colors go together. It softens it slightly so that it's not quite as overpowering. And just brings the look together. So look, there you can see, I mean, it seems kind of dramatic, but actually if I back up and you look at my whole face, it's really not too crazy. So if you wanted to do this as a day look, I would actually recommend that you skip any eyeliner and just go plain like this. If you wanted, you could maybe put a little bit of pink underneath as well. Do mascara, maybe fill your brows if you want, and go for the day. For evening, you may want to add some eyeliner, and so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna take another of my favorite little pen eyeliners. This one is Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I'm just gonna line my eyes real quick. There we go. And you can see, I mean, that does kind of pull it together a little bit more, particularly for evening. And then of course I'm gonna add mascara. Right now this is Lancome Grandiose Mascara. Love the shape of this brush. It really makes it easy to apply. Want to make sure that you hit all of those little bottom lashes. And you notice with the liner I did go out just a little bit from the corner, so I have that slight cat eye look. And of course you can go back and do as many coats of mascara as you want. I might go in for a few more later, but for the sake of this video, I won't make you sit here and watch. And then just for fun, I thought I'd show you how I pull the rest of this look together. So I'm gonna do a little bit of Benefit Posy tint on my cheeks. Sometimes I do coral, sometimes I do other colors, but since I'm wearing pink, this is a pinky look, I'm just gonna continue to play up those pinky tones. So again, the Benefit Posy tint, you just dab this stuff right on your cheek, on your apples of your cheeks, smile, and then just kind of blend it. Same thing on the other side. As long as you don't let this stuff sit, it's really hard to mess up. I've learned if you let it sit, it does dry in place a bit, but otherwise, it's really blendable. As you can see, you can add more to get the right quantity that you want, and it's really pretty. It just adds a really nice little rosy tinge to your cheeks. And then I'm gonna take this new Bobbi Brown bronzer that I got for Christmas. So I've got a pink one in here and a gold one. I'm gonna swirl them together and put those on my cheekbones. As well as just a little bit along my jawline. And I'm gonna blend it up just a little bit. I'm also gonna take that pink one and just hit it under my brow bone, just a bit. And right on my Cupid's bow. All right, and then the last thing is some lipstick. So again, I'm just gonna keep playing with the pink. Why not have fun with this look? Like I said, maybe fun for like your Galentine's Day, girls' night out around Valentine's. So this is Too Faced, I Think in Pink, and it is real pink. Look at that. So pop that on. Notice I only put it on my bottom lip and I blended it because like I said, it is super pigmented and it's super pink. So you don't wanna overpower it too much. And then I'm blending it around. And then just to take that pink down just a little bit, I'm gonna take this Buxom gloss in White Russian and put that right in the center of my lips, not all over, to make that nice little pout. This is a great way to make thin lips look a little bit bigger or just to make your lips look a little poutier. If you put it all over, it makes your whole lips look glossy. If you put it in the center, it's kind of like an optical illusion to make your lips look a little more pouty. And so there you have it. You can see it's kind of a fun, different way to do your eye makeup. Actually very quick and easy, so give it a try and mix it up. Thanks so much and have a great day.